How to fix could not create account for Apple ID on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guided studio. If you're encountering could not create account, your account cannot be created at this moment error while you're trying to create an Apple ID, then don't worry. Here in this video I'll show you some of the easy ways of how we can fix the problem. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video. Well, so if you're suddenly experiencing this problem, then the very first thing that you need to do is just need to check out some of the important settings. Simply go ahead and open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, update your iPhone to the latest iOS in order to fix any bugs or glitches that you have with your iOS version. And then get back from here and then scroll down and tap on date and time and make sure you have select the automatic date and time from here. Then get back to the settings again, main settings of your iPhone, and then scroll down, tap on screen time, and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction, and you just need to turn off the content privacy restriction from here. Now once you do that, you just need to get back from here and then force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. And once you see the Apple logo, release the button and your phone will take a force restart, and once you get back, most likely the problem is going to be solved. But if none of this seems to work, then all you can do, you can open up this Safari browser from your iPhone and search for create Apple ID. So I'm gonna search for create Apple ID right over here. And once you have searched for it, he'll get to see the how to create an Apple ID. So you can go to the iCloud of your device and then you can tap on sign in, and from this page you can actually create an account. So I'm not gonna do this one, I'm just gonna get back from here, and you can actually, he'll get to see the create an Apple account. You can tap on this one at the bottom right here and it's going to give you the option to sign up your account, and you can create the account from here as well. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.